Thank you, Madam Speaker. I thank the honourable member for the question. Madam Speaker, Fiji is blessed by its geographic location, infrastructure development, connectivity to international markets, and the availability of premium port services. It is because of these advantages over the years, Fiji has been an attractive port for calls by foreign fishing vessels outside Fiji's waters, with many choosing to operate out of Fiji. These vessels are mostly fishing vessels targeting tuna, and occasionally visits from vessels targeting Patagonian toothfish, bluefin tuna, and demersal fish such as orange roughy and blue nose, all multi-million-dollar fisheries. Over the past 5 years, the average number of foreign fishing vessels arriving into and using Fiji ports is recorded as 480 vessels, outnumbering the combined total number of merchant ships and cruise liners using Fiji ports by far. Madam Speaker, it is also to be noted that Fiji lies in the outer periphery of the main tuna migratory paths, and therefore catches in our waters are not as vast as in the waters of our Pacific Island neighbors lying to the northeast of us. However, what is lost in one hand can be gained on the other, and that would be through having an internationally recognized fishing port that offers world-class services, from slipway repairs and crewing services to other fisheries-related services such as provisioning, bunkering, transshipment in port, exporting of landed catches through the provision of administrative services such as flight arrangements, banking, immigration, money transfer, shopping, and entertainment. In short, a one-stop shop for fishing business. This business center model is estimated to inject hundreds of millions of dollars into our economy by either directly through the exports of the landed fish or indirectly through the provision of services and other economic spin-off. Example, revenue to farmers that supply vegetables to the fishing vessels. Other benefits include more employment opportunities for our nationals, a contribution to reduction of local market fish prices due to fish supplied by them, a surplus of fish and healthier food choices, supplying of raw materials and meeting the needs of processing plants that we have around our urban centers. The overarching goal that needs to be accomplished is to make our ports very attractive and conducive to suit these vessels' needs. Madam Speaker, I would like to stress on three main issues that needs our attention. Firstly, maintenance of health and safety in our ports around Fiji. Madam Speaker, this is an important subject that needs the cooperation and discussions with our stakeholders. Madam Speaker, the maintenance of vessel crew and the security of vessels has always been one of the key deciding factors for foreign vessels to use our port, apart from the availability of port services, infrastructure and connectivity to export markets. In recent years, the security and hygiene of one of the wharves in Fiji port has been a concern due to underlying jurisdictional issues. The second consideration for ships, fishing vessels to use is the implementation of port state measures. Madam Speaker, this is quite important to international shipping, especially foreign ships that use our ports. In my statement yesterday, I spoke of how we have complied with European Union requirements. The European Union and other international bodies that we supply our fish with requires international port standard, and the requirements cover under the port state measures. Madam Speaker, the standard mandate us to conduct stringent checks prior to arrival, during entry and prior to departure of fishing vessels. This is done through vessel background checks that are conducted electronically prior to the vessel's arrival, boarding and inspection of vessels as they are conducted when the vessels do arrive in port, and pre-departure clearances, which is conducted prior to the vessel's departure. Madam Speaker, those are the few points that I wanted to highlight as additional to the questions that has been raised in this House this morning. Thank you, Madam Speaker.